What up, y'all? It's your boy Uncle Mot. We're out here, and today I got a special guest. This is my younger brother Lawson.
I'm awesome because my name's Lawson.
And I'm gonna teach him how to go spearfishing. I've been spearfishing for about maybe 15, 16 years at this point, so it's about time that I spread the knowledge to the younger generation. So let's do this.
The water is fantastic. Hey there, buddy. First dive. How keen I am.
So it turns out that I didn't actually get that much footage of me and Lawson going spearfishing because I was on the wrong GoPro cycle. I was turning it off when I thought I was turning it on, but I got a little bit of footage. Hopefully it's decent enough. Whoops.
Excuse me while I miss this absolute sitter of a shot on this cave full of drummer, because it's been about 6 months since I've been in the water at this point. Just getting my eye in. Here we go, line it up, absolute sitter of a shot, and nothing. Typical. By the way, that sound you keep hearing is me trying to purge and clear my ears so that I don't rupture my eardrum. Sorry that it's very annoying. So about here, I'd noticed some snapper off in the distance. I just tried to act disinterested, had a look around in these caves, made a bit of noise on the bottom, and just waited to see if they'd come in. Yes, I absolutely headbutted that rock. So at the very end of my breath hold, I got out there, extended, bam, got him. Let's have dinner.
So here we are, back at Mum's. Where is she? There she is. And gonna give him some fish, clean up.
We're gonna trade.
We're gonna do some trades. Here we go. So, set up the trades, you know. We've got Uncle Mot's fish market here. It's not much of a wet market. Decent trade, I reckon. Miss Good Brim.
Yeah, that's what Mama wants. Trade for a trade.
Trade for a trade.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Awesome.
Cheering.
One eternity later.
So you want 375 grams of plain flour with 3 eggs. Crack those eggs into the center with like just a pinch of salt. Mix them up with a fork till gradually it forms a nice dough. You want to knead that until your bowl is clear and there's no flour remaining, and then whack it down on the board. Keep on kneading. Yes, you may notice that this is exactly the same way as you make pasta because, well, egg noodles are pasta. Yeah, don't at me, Italians, I guess. So now our pasta's nice and smooth. Want to run it back through, put a little bit of flour on there, and then we're ready to cut our noodles. I think I'd rolled this a little bit too thin, so the cutter wasn't quite engaging, but I managed to figure it out by the end. The night before this laksa, we had dinner at Hannah's dad's house, and he was gracious enough to give me this big bag of prawn heads. Shout out to Paul. Really appreciated. So next, you want to grab about 1/3 of those prawn heads and shells, chuck them into a pot with half a cup of oil, and just fry that off till it's nice and very stinky. Chop an onion. You gotta have onion. It's a sauce. Slice up about 5 centimeters of galangal. You should be able to find galangal in all supermarkets these days. It's very common. And a wedge roughly the same size of ginger. Peeled if you wish. I did for some reason. Some nice fresh turmeric. This stuff's really expensive fresh. Chop up 2 red chillies just for colour. These aren't hot. If you want more spice, you could probably add some fresh chilies, but this was enough. Add in roughly 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, 6 candle nuts. You may be able to find candle nuts if you've got a really good Coles. If not, go to an Asian grocer, they'll have them. Grab about 6 or 7 dried chilies, chop them up nice and fine, and then add some boiling water to help them rehydrate. This is the secret ingredient. You want to get yourself some dried shrimps, and then rehydrate them with boiling water. Blend that up till you get your desired consistency. I like mine nice and gritty. Laksa means spicy sand, so take that how you will. For the stock here, I added 3/4 of the prawn heads with some shiitake mushrooms, some salt, and a little bit of oil. It was delicious. And here we've got our completed ingredients. Sorry, there may have been some missed steps in the middle there, but you've seen me cut up veggies and fish before. Fry off your laksa paste till it is nice and smooth. I can't stress how much you need to do this. Just to cook out those ingredients and get rid of the raw flavour of the ginger and the galangal. After that, add in some coconut cream.
So, it's now that I get back to editing that I realise just how much I forgot to film. So yeah, take what you can from this. Thanks, Clem. What a process, huh? From start to finish, it only took me 7 hours. But it speaks for itself. What do you think, Hannah?
It's really yummy.
Yeah, I think it's really, really good.
Oh,
Hot. Very hot. The fish in there's really good. Bit of fish. I think it's a bit of snapper.
that's yummy.
No. Worth the wait.
Worth stinking at our house for.
Yeah, that prawn oil sure did stink. So welcome back to Uncle Mot's Kitchen. As always, I'm Uncle Mot. This is Hannah. You know what? I missed y'all. I missed doing this. I missed spending time in the kitchen, making something that felt like it was worth it. I know the last few months have been really hard for a lot of people, but here's hoping that the next few months going forward start to feel a little bit better. Just better. Until next time.